Good morning, good morning, good morning. Everybody, it's the 18th of June. So yesterday was a holiday. Definitely didn't do anything yesterday. This is Friday's analysis, the Friday's analysis that we did last Friday. And you see everything went as planned. We had take profit one, we had potential buys above 23.12 over here. We got that after this candle broke above. The next candle was the entry, stop loss was just below here. So we went to take profit one, take profit two, passed all the way to take profit three, went to four as well, almost breaking up to H4 resistance. Okay, but then after that, the market started pushing down, and right now we're over here. So we need to see what we have we're looking for today, so that at least in terms of fundamentals. So on fundamentals, this is what we have. We've just finished the AUD news. It was high impact news RBA rates statement that happened at 7:30 a.m. Now we have next over here in the high impact news. The next high impact news will be happening at 3:30 p.m. today, and that will be the core retail sales. Okay, core retail sales and retail sales news. This will be, of course, this will move the market a bit. So it's a good thing. It's tradable actually. If you trade news, this is tradable. So let's see what we have in terms of technical now. Remove everything. Go back to our usual way. Look at the way this candle is playing. This candle has been playing. This is a monthly candle. It's been playing. We've already passed half of the month and it's still undecided if it's bullish or bearish. It's still moving up and down. Remember what we said, if it breaks at least the low of these previous months, we're going to need to see a move going down. We're going to get a move going down. And if it breaks below the March candle over here, the May candle, April candle. If it breaks below the April candle, then we're going to retest the whole of March candle. But as at now, this is what we have, and we need to work with what we have as of now. So still, the May candle still makes the high of the month, of the highest high is on the May candle still. So monthly resistance over there. Let's see, we still have, I told you the setup for the support and resistance on monthly will change once the monthly structure is broken. But until then, we're going to be having the same points for monthly support and monthly resistance are going to just remain the same until the day that we're going to break the structure, the monthly structure, which is pretty hard to be broken, but not impossible to be broken anyway. It can be broken. So this is the weekly, we have the weekly support over here. Again, also the weekly support is going to change once we get a break of structure. Maybe we get a candle going below this point. That's when we're going to break the structure on the monthly. All right. So we have here, if you see this very keenly, you will realize, but I want to put it over here for this candle. I will show you why. Call this the weekly resistance. Sorry. Call this the weekly resistance over here. All right, let's go down to monthly. I'll show you why we're doing this. All right, so this is the daily resistance over here. The daily resistance. The daily resistance is over here. Daily support falls on the same area. Let's go to H4. Do you see? See what we're doing over here? Daily resistance come down here. So we have this one over here, which is, we call it H4 support down here, and H4 resistance is up over here. H4 resistance is over there. Go down to 1 hour. All right, there we go. Nice and easy. Yep. This was supposed to be the daily, yeah? The daily support over here. The daily support. Supposed to be the daily support over there. Over there. So that's where we are right now. We're on 1 hour. We're gonna need, of course, to consider these lows over here. See where those wicks have been rejected over there? That is the H1, sorry, H1 support. H1 support falls over there. 30 minutes, do we have anything coming in on 30 minutes? Okay. All right, great. So now it's about that time that we get to make a decision where we go taking the buys, we're taking the sells. I want to break above that wick. I want to break below this wick over here. I'm gonna break above that wick over there. All right. Yeah, something like that would be potentially good. So we have potential buys above this point. Potential buys. Opa. Okay. Wow. What's going on? All right. Go down here. This is potential buys. Supposed to edit this one. Let me rename it again. Sorry about that. We're getting potential buys. Potential buys above 23, 23, 28, 23, 28. Yes. Above 23, 28. We're gonna get potential buys about there. Potential sales. And these are going to be aggressive sales here. Potential aggressive sales below 23.18. 23.18 over there. Like that. Now on to the buys. Should we continue pushing back up? We're gonna go to TP1 over here. We need to go to TP1. Come on. TP1 over here. We want to write TP1 right over there. Ooh, on the left, there's a very nice move over here. And then I need to break just above that wick over here. So we want to say TP1, TP2. This is a daily resistance. TP2 over here. And then from that point, I'm going to take you all the way to this point. I want you to come all the way to that point, TP3. TP3 will be the ultimate. This is the ultimate move that you're looking for. So basically, actually, I'm going to mark this point as well and write it as safe sales. Safe buys, sorry. Safe buys. The safe buys are going to be there. All right. Because once you get a candle breaking above that point and a close, very nice one going up, smooth move all the way up to that point. It's going to be a very nice, smooth move, right? You can do start buys from here, aggressive, do TP1, TP2, but this is where you're going to get the safe buys. The easiest and the safest of the buys are going to come in from that. So potential aggressive sales, of course, below there. This is TP1, of course, TP1. We're gonna have TP2. Wow, this is tricky. The cells have a lot. These cells have a lot going on. So we can write TP2 over there. And still, I've had to ignore a couple of other areas. That's why, so I'm saying it's tricky. Anyway, pretty much not seeing the market going bearish. But anyway, let's see. Let's wait and see. I think I'm just not a fan for the sales today. Again, I don't know what the sales did to me, but well, we trade what you see, not what we think, right? We trade what we see. And what I can see right now is, should we have a nice break above this point, it's going to be good. That is what I think. But what I see right now, there's no order right now. Right now, I'm going to no trade range over here. There's no order right now. That is what I see right now. So until I get a break above these points, that's when I'm going to take the order. So that is what I mean by trading what you see, right? So what I see right now, there's no entry. If I get a break above this point, then I may have an entry, and I will only get into that order once I see it happening, not once I visualize or I think it's going to happen. All right. So that's what we mean by trading what you see, not what you think. All right. So that's the final lookout on what we're looking for. Potential buys above there, potential sales above there. Safe buys will be over here. And let's keep an eye on it. Let's see. Remember, we have core retail sales at 330. That is going to, of course, impact the market as well. Yeah. All right, guys. Take care and have a good one. Have a good day today. All right. Happy hunting for everybody. Let's see what the week has for us. Bye-bye.